What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Who doesn't want to make more money, especially without spending a single penny up front? It's a dream come true. We're diving into two incredible ways to make money online with zero starting capital, and you won't believe how easy it is. If you love sharing knowledge, maybe you're a master at maths or fluent in another language, this video is definitely for you. We're talking about turning those valuable skills into profit. So, if you're ready to unlock some serious earning potential, buckle up and hit that like button right now. First up, online tutoring. This is a goldmine for anyone who's a whiz at a particular subject. Whether it's math, science, languages, or even music, there's a demand for your knowledge. You don't need to be a qualified teacher with years of experience to get started. Passion and proficiency in your subject can go a long way. Platforms like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, or Wisent are practically begging for tutors. These platforms connect you with eager students willing to pay for your expertise. Highlight your skills in your profile like a digital resume. Whether you're a maths whiz, a science guru, or a language aficionado, there's a hungry audience out there. You get to set your own rates and availability, like being your own boss. No more rigid schedules or commuting in rush hour traffic. You can tutor from your couch in your pajamas if that's your style. Platforms like tutor.com make the process super straightforward. Create your profile, highlight your qualifications, and you're ready to start connecting with students. Be specific about the subjects you're comfortable teaching. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to attract the right students. Tutoring sessions are a breeze thanks to video calls. No need to meet students in person unless you want to. It's all about flexibility and convenience. You control your schedule, your rates, and your teaching environment. Let's talk about our second money-making method, translation services. If you're bilingual or multilingual, your language skills are a valuable asset in today's globalized world. The internet has created a massive demand for translation services. Businesses and individuals constantly need to communicate across language barriers. Businesses expanding into new markets need people like you to bridge the language barrier. Effective communication is key to their success. Platforms like Gengo, ProZ, or Fiverr connect you with clients who need your skills. Create a profile highlighting your language pairs, expertise, and certifications. Gengo is user-friendly, making it simple to find and apply for translation jobs. Showcase your language skills and choose from a variety of translation projects. Some platforms might ask for a quick translation test to gauge your proficiency. Once set up, browse through translation jobs that match your skills and interests. Set your own rates and work from anywhere in the world. This flexibility allows you to balance work with your personal life. Imagine working from a beach in Bali, translating documents while sipping on a coconut. Translation services can be incredibly intellectually stimulating. Each project requires you to think critically and creatively. You're constantly learning new things and expanding your horizons. So there you have it, two powerful ways to start generating income online without spending a dime up front. These methods are accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a bit of determination. Whether you're passionate about tutoring or bridging language barriers with translation, the opportunities are out there. The digital world is full of possibilities waiting to be explored. The key is to take action. Without taking that first step, you'll never know what you could achieve. Sign up for one of these platforms today, create your profile, and start putting yourself out there. The more proactive you are, the quicker you'll see results. The sooner you start, the sooner you can reap the rewards. Early action often leads to early success. You can scale these income streams as much or as little as you want. The flexibility allows you to adapt to your personal goals and lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-blown online business, the potential is limitless. The internet offers endless opportunities for growth and expansion. So there you have it. 2 excellent ways to start making money online with no upfront costs. These methods are tried and tested, and many have found success with them. Remember, the key is to start now and stay consistent. Consistency is crucial in building a sustainable online income. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to helping you on your online income journey.